Alright guys, so this is just a simple thing that I'm doing. I'm sure there's a lot of videos out there how to do it, sand it and stuff like that, but for me, I don't know, I just went to Harbor Freight tool real quick and I was just looking around and I found this, and I decided to try it out, and I purchased a 3-inch buffing kit. So first I started with the yellow one. Of course you put some of this on it and you spread it around like the other videos, and I did like 3 steps. So I started from the upper 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I kept going like that. Simple. Make sure you tape this. I lost my tape so I couldn't find it. And so 3 times with that, doing that, and then I just grabbed the white one now and I passed it. I'm still not done, and I'm gonna buff it with this one with a nice pad. And so far I'm pretty satisfied with the way it came out. I did not sand it, like I said, and this is how it looked before. Yellow, look at that, looks terrible. So you can just do it, very simple. I know there's a lot of videos out there, but you know, you guys don't want to spend too much money. This is the, you know, I think I spent like what, $18, 18, 19, 20 bucks max. This was like 8 something, and if you have a drill, even better, that would be great. And oh, you want to get the I got this for free, so go to Retail Me Not and you get those for free, and Harbor Freight tools, and you go from there. And I have my little helper right there that helped me out to hold that. And hope you guys like the video. God bless you all. Thanks for subscribing.